What is up, guys and girls? Welcome to another awesome... What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of On Real Fishing. We're at the local party store right here. Gonna grab some waxies so we can head right out on the lake. Let's get it. God! Cold and pissed. Eat my... Yeah, that's why I was getting kind of upset. Look at that, that's a nice gill right there. Boom, hit it again. Boom. All this. Little guy. Oh, that one. That one right there is probably nicer. That felt pretty nice because it was indeed pretty nice. I have hit the jackpot. Another awesome bluegill. Great size. Probably about 8 inches. Got one racing in, racing in, racing in. Got him. Oh, that one feels nice. That one feels nice. Oh yeah, digging. Nice, that's awesome. Another nice one. Another nice bluegill. Whoop. Real soft bite. Not a bad gill. I got about a foot of fish down there. Do is switch my lure up to a smaller presentation. Oh yeah, another nice gill. Boom, gonna get smoked. Smoked! Another gill! I could be having a fish fry from heaven right now. You tricky son of a gun. You're coming back for more though. They always come back for more. Oh, this one feels pretty good. It's pulling pretty. No, it came off right the hole! Man! Can I get him? I gotta race down before him. Who's faster, tungsten or fish? Oh, we got a puller, huh? Oh, baby! Ooh, I'm smoking them right now. I'm having the time of my life. I'm freaking freezing cold. Camera's all smudged up. Probably can't see a gosh dang thing. Let me fix that. Put that fish on. Oh, just got to this hole, just drilled it. Ooh, there's some more marks down there too. You got a beautiful little gilly. Bye. Woo! All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this episode. My fingers are frozen off. I did catch a lot of pretty decent bluegill today. I'm stoked on it. Like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. I want to appease to the viewer, so let me know. Next episode, that's real cool. Next episode, catch and cook. And I have a bunch more goals to take care of this season. I've never caught a pike through the ice. I've never caught a fish on a tip-up before. A lot of missions to take care of. I already caught my first walleye. This could be the year, 2019. Let's get it. Have a good one.
I am not afraid of all the lengths I go.